Welcome to LS Region, facility let us take a walk through where innovation meets precision. As we tour, ULLCR1 square meter manufacturing base, home to 200家 advanced production lines and smart equipment, from automated assembly robots to precision testing stations, all operating with industry-leading efficiency. Our production process is built on rigor, starting with raw material inspection, moving through streamlined component manufacturing, strict assembly checks, and end-to-end quality testing, each step tracked via our digital management system to ensure consistency. This setup lets us deliver 50万家 units monthly while maintaining 99.8% quality compliance. Beyond scale, what drives us is partnership. We spent 15 years refining our craft, serving 30家 countries with tailored solutions. Now, we'd love to hear your needs, whether it is custom production, bulk orders, or co-developing new products. Let us turn this tour into the start of something impactful, your goals, our expertise, and a collaboration that delivers results.